How long and how often can you do commission? If you're experiencing a lot of clients coming in, what do you do?
Today is quite gonna be a long ride and journey. What I'm trying to do here is basically I'm trying to break the limit. Usually I'm able to do commissions for like what, two, maybe like max two commissions a day, but today I'm gonna try to do 3, so that's why I'm waking up really early. Right now it's currently 5 a.m. and just getting ready and getting started, and use my time productively. You don't know your true potential until you do it, like for real. Today I got like 1 icon, 3 thumbnails, so yeah, so it's gonna be quite a rough day, but like yeah.
I also have the same problem back when I started doing GFX. I only take 1 client at a time. I feel like my brain couldn't handle more than that. I can only do 1 commission per week because I was in high school. Little did I know that I have much more potential than that. 4 years later, now I'm studying in college, doing YouTube, working out, doing freelance as well, and maintaining my personal life and relationship, all in 24 hours. And here's how. Cut all the nonsense. If you know your priority and you align your days to it, you will be living to your fullest potential. For example, I don't play video games no more, as it doesn't serve my goals and I feel like I'm wasting my time and potential. My new video games are doing commissions, working out, and much more. Time is like a stats point, that you can upgrade your skill, so use them wisely. Have a system. I thought I was able to do 1 commission per week, right? As I said earlier, a few years ago. That's just a big excuse for me. Spend time building a system where you know your process and you know where to move without thinking too much. Put all the memories into some sort of storage that you can put on, so you don't have to rely on your brain to remember everything. I have also made Notion commission page for free, so might as well go get it. Work period and time. I have discovered that my brain works best in the morning. I usually wake up and start working around 9, but that means I have lost so much potential in working in high performance. Recently I tried waking up at 4 to start working. Now I have 3 blocks of work tasks in a day: early, morning, actual morning, and afternoon. Plus the benefit of waking up early means I don't have to eat. You may have heard this concept by now, which is like fasting helps you stay sharp, which is the reason why I always put the hardest task in the very early in the morning. However, experiment with your working time period and how you feel in such. So here are some few productivity tips that I thought of, and I think it will be really valuable to you, and try to implement it. If you have implemented already, let me know down in the comment below. You can share your stuff there. It also helps my channel grow as well. So if you guys want to help me support my channel, hit the like, subscribe button, all that kind of stuff, comment. It really does help. I know like every YouTuber say this, but it surely, it does help a lot. And try my best to give advice of the things I learned and try to implement. And maybe if you like it, you can hit the like, subscribe, share, and maybe comment down below how you want to see in the future of what you're going to feel like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.